Today I want to show a very typical use case where FastBridge can make your lives easy. Here I'm on DeFi Llama looking for some good yield opportunities. I see a bunch of options across multiple chains. Let me pick a reliable one. I think Morpho is a good option with about 4.21% yield. Let's head over to Morpho. I see that I'm already signed in, so here are a few options on Ethereum and Base. I already have some USDC, so let's head over to this opportunity. It says I have 8.3 USDC, but in fact I have about $90 in my wallet, which is scattered across different chains. Now I need to bridge, and I may have to do multiple bridges. But with FastBridge, you can combine multiple bridging tasks into one. So here I pick a few USDC assets. I'll also add some USDT to the mix. Let me max it out and see how much it adds up to. It's slightly under $10, so I'll add one more asset, maybe ETH on Optimism. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So I see that I have a pretty decent quote here, and I just verify the details. I see the pricing sources are good, the price is good, fee is good, and I hit swap. And that's it. In a few clicks and a few wallet approvals, all the swaps are executed in one go. I don't have to worry about gas tokens across different chains. The protocol kind of takes care of it. And in a few seconds, I'll have the USDC on Base. There you go. Now, once I head back, I see that my balance is updated. I click max, I review the deposit, and let's go ahead and deposit the entire amount. Confirm. This is my standard approval in my wallet on Base. And it's done. Let's head over to portfolio, and there you can see my deposit is done. So that's how quick it is with FastBridge.